Hey guys, today we're packing out the Roombas! Hello, Roombas!
Hey guys, so we are moving today and the house is completely empty except for the cats and our Roomba collection. So today we're gonna pack them all up. Hopefully we can fit them all in these boxes and take them to our new house.
Yeah.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Let's get started.
Mommy.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, we need a box so we can put those small chargers in.
Okay, you're gonna do the chargers first?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, they are everywhere. Hopefully we have enough boxes. All right, Wyatt counted recently, and how many are we up to?
34.
34?
I mean 44. It looks so weird.
44.
Mama.
Yes?
If this doesn't belong.
Yeah, that might need to stay. I'll take that.
Mama.
You can take the extension cord.
Mama.
Yeah?
Why are you supposed to sell these eyes? It looks so weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got an extension cord that we can use.
Yep.
And oh, so good. Allie, I put around a bumblebee. A black and white, a black and yellow bumblebee. Can we get the big faces?
Let's get all the little ones first.
We should probably get the big faces in like a bigger box.
Yeah.
Hopefully we know which base goes which because this might take a long time.
Yeah, but you do, right? I definitely don't.
The big faces take out this big box.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's get the this one. The this one will be easy because it has a white cord.
That will be easy, yeah.
And it's right up top.
A couple more over there.
Then we can move on to the big faces. I see two more.
Oh, nope, you got some more over here, buddy. Quite a few more. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, me too.
Wait, when is we gonna have our bed back? Okay, that's all. Just gonna move on to that one.
Alexa's at the new house. That is a lot of vases. Oh my goodness.
I picked the perfect box actually.
Yeah, I think you can have just enough room.
And this one has a white cord. Great.
Easy.
Okay, here's another stretchy cord. Okay. I think we got all the little bases.
Okay, well that was perfect.
There's bases that. That's probably it. Okay. Now let's get another box. Shut this up. We can use this
box?
I think that would be for the Roombas, and I think I got the perfect box.
What? No, I think I got the perfect box.
Perfect.
Perfect box is this one.
Okay, so now we're moving on to the big bases.
I want to see. I want to see.
It's not gonna fit very many, is it? Ooh.
Only feel about like 2.
Or
like this one.
Yeah, probably.
You can move it. I think we could fit about like 1 more.
Okay. How about, oh, the little eye life, that would be good.
Ah! How about like the switch line?
Okay, yeah.
This doesn't even have like a play platform, so it can like roll up. So like, yeah, that's perfect.
Perfect. Do you think the eye life can fit in there too?
Just these 3.
Yeah, right here. Here, perfect.
Oh,
Nice spot for it.
if I eat something, if we just trash it,
Oh, perfect.
that's
Just
perfect.
go trash it, I can provide trash it. Right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, ah!
Okay, 2 boxes down.
2 boxes down, 8 billion more to go.
But there's one more big vase.
Oh, that one's gonna go in his own box. Cause that is a great one.
That's a Roba-Rock, yep.
With the
All right, found a couple more bases. We got the sharks.
sharky, sharky, sharky.
I'm so sleepy. I can't just sleep so much.
Sawyer's missing his bed.
Uh,
All right, you got the sharks.
and then we just need to put this right in there.
Okay.
And that's to this.
I'm so
Oh no, it won't fit. I guess we can like bend it.
Perfect. All right. 3 boxes down.
2 more to go.
No, I think it might take more than 2.
No, we have 2 boxes.
Okay, time to start loading up the robot vacuums.
Oh, this one's completely dead.
Yeah, I think most of them are. Start stacking them on top of each other.
Now we have to like mini.
The house that has the kitties is this house.
I know we gotta take the cats to our new house.
No, we can't just like leave them.
Leave them here.
This house full of kitties.
Mama. Perfect fit.
Yep, keep going. It's not the most glamorous way to do things, but
I got 2.
yeah.
Here's one my backpack.
So we gotta be very careful with this one because
Oh, it has the LiDAR.
this might
Maybe
actually-
wait and put that one on top.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh. Okay, now we can put it on top.
Okay, what about those 2 behind you? Can you fit them?
Nope, but I can fit one right Here.
Perfect. Yeah, just throw the other one right on top.
Like
Like right there, right in that corner.
this.
All right. How many do you think are in there?
I don't know. Probably about like
15?
no, about like 10
10?
or like 11.
Okay. We're making progress.
Now we can put one in here.
Yeah.
We still have a lot of boxes left.
Well, still have a lot of robot vacuums to pack.
Wait, this. How about let's do like your How about let's do like the square ones in like your boxes?
That's a good idea. Think you can fit 2?
Yeah,
No.
just one.
All right.
Okay, that one. Because I need to close it. Okay, good.
Oops.
We can definitely fit the Yuffie. Okay. Even the Yuffie base is already at the new house.
Yep. Good thing, because we're going to run out of room in the car.
I forgot a base.
Oh, that's okay. Okay.
We got 2 bases. Now what is that one? That one?
Perfect.
And then the hole.
And it has a hole in the top. That's perfect.
For just the laser. Perfect.
Great.
Look at the laser. Laser's there. Laser. The laser's being out.
All right. Are we more than halfway done? I think we are. Let's start loading them in that Dreamy box.
Yeah.
All right. Just gonna stack them on top of each other.
Look at it. Pure clean. Like Roomba, my go-to.
Listen, the googly eyes.
Mama.
Roomba jet.
Your toys are at our new house, buddy.
Oh, how about like
The i3 and the Eufy and the Air Robo.
the air robot doesn't work.
I know.
Mama.
Yeah, but
I miss my bed and my toy. Where's my bed and my toy?
they're all at our new house.
It's okay.
It's okay. Sawyer's having a hard time with the move.
No.
Sawyer, can you get that iRobot right there?
Oh, how do you get that?
Can you get get the 5 below?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it even work?
Yeah. We got it fixed.
I think. Oh, can we put this one?
Yeah. And put it right on top.
No, it's perfect.
Look at that. That's perfect.
Now, what about the nice ones?
Okay, so our really nice ones, I think we're just going to put in the seats of the car. All right. Good job, guys.
Oh, good.
All right, here we go. Now we just have to load everything up in the car. All right, can we fit all 44 of them in here? We almost have all of them in here. Couple more boxes. All right, they all fit. Off to the new house. House is empty.